Today is the first day off, so you know what I'm doing? Hanging out on the back deck. I'm gonna do some editing, and I'm just gonna enjoy this view. Well, that didn't last long. The crew was put to work by putting all of the stand-up paddleboards and kayaks back on the roof of the yacht. So Brian and I worked on that, and then it was time for lunch. Captain said we were going to the island for lunch today, so we all hopped in the dinghy and headed into the island. It's only about a 10-minute boat ride into Staniel Key, and the water here is absolutely gorgeous. It's crystal clear. The yacht right now is anchored in front of Pig Beach. It's a popular tourist attraction. There's tons of pigs and piglets running around. From my experience, I would not turn my back on these pigs. I went to Pig Beach the first year I started working on this yacht with a bag of leftovers, and as soon as I hopped off the boat, the pigs came charging. They were ready to fight to the death for this bag of leftovers, so I just tossed it into the woods and the pigs ran after it. And last year we had a guest that went to Pig Beach, turned her back on a pig, and it bit her in the butt and broke skin. So yeah, I don't trust the pigs. To get onto this island, there's a little private beach to beach your dinghy. Last year, as I was getting off the dinghy at this exact beach, I dropped my phone into the water and didn't realize it. I thought maybe I left it at the grocery store that we just went to, so I was running around the whole entire island, and then when I came back to the beach, looked on the ocean floor, and there it was. So it was sitting in the salt water for over 30 minutes. We got back to the yacht, I put it in rice, and it's still working to this day. For appetizers, we got some cracked conch fritters, and for my lunch, I had a grilled fish sandwich. After we finished eating, Brian and I played some pool and headed back to the dinghy to drive back to the yacht. I've only swam like twice on this whole entire trip, so I'm gonna make it a mission to do that today. Once I got back to the yacht, I put on my bathing suit and headed to the back deck. We tied this big floaty to the back of the yacht and just relaxed out there. If I could live in my swimsuit and 90-degree weather every day, that would be ideal. I'm throwing my water bottle. Sharks? Where are the sharks? You know a shark came right up on you when you jumped in the water last night? Get away! Get away! Get away! Let me on the raft. Brian, I swear. Living the life. But I am getting a little chilly, so I might lay out on the back deck. I found my tanning place. This is perfect. Oh yeah, can't beat this view. Life is good. Made myself a little plate of leftovers, doing some editing. It was a wonderful day and I needed that. I needed a rest day.